Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a cool new feature in Gemini. If you don't know that, you can now upload a video on your Gemini application. So they released this feature 1 week ago, and if you don't know how to use it, I'm going to show you. First, you just need to go to this add files option and upload a file. So I'm just going to upload one of my older tutorial video and click open, and it will start to upload on your Gemini application. You can also do this on your phone if you have Gemini installed on your Android or iOS device. So after uploading the video, I'll say to Gemini, so I'll just simply ask Gemini to give me all the information from this video and click submit. So this is a video about a tutorial how to download and install Python, which I already shared in my channel. And as you can see, Gemini gave me all the breakdown information from this video. The video demonstrates how to download and install the current version of Python on a Windows 11 PC. And it gave me breakdown of the information. As you can see, it giving me all the information in the video that I shared on that video. Now here's a cool trick. If you upload a video and you want to get the transcript of that video, just say to Gemini, give me the transcript of this video, click submit. As you can see, it gave me the transcript of this video, but it's giving me the transcript like a paragraph style. So if I just ask Gemini again, so as you can see, it's giving me now the transcript style. So it is giving me the transcript style now with the actual seconds that when I tell something in that video. So this is now the transcript style that I actually want. So I'm just going to ask Gemini, create me a thumbnail of this video. Now it's going to analyze so it's already analyzed my video and is going to create a perfect thumbnail for this video according to the information. So as you can see, after a couple of times, first time it's give me an error, but then I again tell it to make me this image and it give me a thumbnail from the video. So first time it didn't give me an image, it just gave me a prompt here, as you can see. Then I told him to make me this image and then it gave me the thumbnail of that video, which is a download and installation process of Python. Now you can download this image and you can now edit further in your photo editor. So that's it guys, this is a cool feature that I wanted to show you, that now you can upload video, analyze the video, get all the information, and also you can get transcript from this. And if you're a YouTuber just like me, you can upload a video and get the idea of what kind of thumbnail that you want to create. So that's it guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.